Good morning, students. Today I shall explain about the political history of early Shatavahanas. In previous video, we shall discuss about the sources of Shatavahanas and the early Shatavahanas rulers' political history, like Simukha, Krishna, and one of the most public ruler of Shatavahana dynasty, that is Shatakarni I. So now I shall explain about some of another important rulers of Shatavahanas in early period. Okay, students, you write down some key points of the early Shatavahanas on the board. First of all, the Shatakarni II. After the death of Shatakarni I, he ascended the throne of Shatavahana kingdom. He was the son of Shatakarni I. So what is his history? He was a great warrior. He was a great warrior and conqueror. Conqueror means Goppa Yodudu. And he was commanded an invincible army. He patronized a number of soldiers in his court. Why? Because already we says about him in the first statement, he was a great warrior and conqueror. That's why he need a number of soldiers in the participant of various wars. That's why he patronized or commanded a invincible army. And also he occupied Magadha and Kalinga. These two regions are most powerful in the contemporary period. But Shatakarni II was occupied these two regions, Magadha and Kalinga. In that, this statement indicates about the strength and power of the Shatakarni II. And he carried many public welfare programs in his administration. He carried many public welfare programs. So this is a brief information about Shatakarni II. And next, Hala. This is most important in very short answer question in annual examination point of view. Write down, students, and this is most important. Hala. Hala was the ruler of early Shatavahana kingdom. He was the early king of early Shatavahana period. He was the 17th ruler. 17th ruler. And he was a great poet and scholar himself. Himself, he was a great poet and scholar. He wrote a text, that is Gada Sapta Sati. What is the text of Hala? Gada Sapta Sati. It is written in Prakrit language. Prakrit means which language was spoken by the common people. That is Prakrit language. So he wrote in Prakrit language, that is Gada Sapta Sati. So in his text, he mentioned about the story of the early Shatavahana rulers. So this is a brief information about Hala. Hala was 17th ruler, and himself he was a great poet and scholar. He wrote a text, Gada Sapta Sati. It is in Prakrit language, and in that he mentioned about the story of the early Shatavahana rulers. And next I shall explain about a great king of the Shatavahana kingdom, that is Gautami Putra Shatakarni. Who is that king? Gautami Putra Shatakarni. He was a fabulous, greatest Shatavahana ruler. After the death of Hala, nearly 8 members are ruled of the Shatavahana kingdom, but there was no existence, there was no importance, there is no information is not available about the 8 kingdoms of Shatavahana rulers after the death of Hala. Why? Because the Magadha rulers and Kalinga rulers are most powerful. They came to existence. They were occupied all the territories of the Shatavahana kingdom by the weakness of these rulers. That's why there is no existence of the after the rulers of Halas. But that during the time of Gautami Putra Shatakarni, the Shatavahana kingdom was mostly flourished and mostly existence of the Dakkan region. So, okay, the Gautami Putra Shatakarni was ruled between 16 to 86. He was ruled between 62 to 86 CE. He was a illiterate king. It means a great king, great warrior, Guppa Parakramavantudu. And he was 23rd ruler. He was 23rd ruler. He ruled between 62 to 86. And 3 grants or inscriptions are most useful to the study of Gautami Putra Shatakarni. They are Nasik, Karle inscriptions. Nasik, Karle and Kanheri inscriptions are most useful to the study of Gautami Putra Shatakarni. Especially the Nasik inscription is clearly denotes about the history of Gautami Putra Shatakarni. So this is also one of the most important very short answer question in the annual examination point of view. So that's why students, you should learn and hear very carefully. The Nasik inscription is most important source of the achievements of the Gautami Putra Shatakarni. So who is issued? The Nasik inscription is issued by his mother Gautami Balasri. Gautami Balasri is the mother of Gautami Putra Shatakarni. He is issued the Nasik inscription. It is in Nasik in Maharashtra. In that he mentioned about the total achievements of his son. His mother Gautami Balasri mentioned in Nasik inscription about the achievements of the Gautami Putra Shatakarni. A number of kings and rulers were defeated by the Gautami Putra Shatakarni in the contemporary period. Kshatrapas, Pahalvas, Malavas, Avanti, Apura, Asaka, Asmaka, this type of kingdoms are ruled by the Gautami Putra Shatakarni. Okay? In that, in Nasik inscription, the Gautami Putra Shatakarni described as king of the kings. Wow, what a title! King of the kings, who is Gautami Putra Shatakarni. Rajulake Raraju. So why she mentioned about kings of the king of his son? Why? Because he defeated a number of kings in contemporary period who were defeated by Gautami Putra Shatakarni. Which kingdoms are occupied by the Gautami Putra Shatakarni? Here I mentioned, you should write down. Asika, Asmaka, Mulaka. Asika, Asmaka, Mulaka, Anupa, Saurashtra, Kukura, Aparanta, Vidarbha, Akeri and Avanti. This type of kingdoms are totally defeated by the Gautami Putra Shatakarni. That's why his mother mentioned kings of king in Nasik inscription. And also he described as Kshaharata Vamsha Nirava Sekara. Kshaharata Vamsha Nirava Sheshakara. It means the destroyer of Kshaharataka kingdom. He was the destroyer, Kshaharata, destroyer of the Kshaharataka family. And also he described as the protector of Varnasrama Dharma. This statement is totally indicate he patronized Hindu culture. Why? Because the Varnasrama Dharma is the trend or tradition or culture of the Vedic. That's why he was the protector of Varnasrama Dharma. That's why I shall explain about he was the he was the patronized of Hindu culture. And he was compared the epic and Puranic heroes. He was compared the epic and Puranic heroes like Rama, Arjuna, Bhima, etc. And in that he described and he assumed a number of titles. He assumed a number of titles like Eka Brahmana, Agama Nilaya, Kshatriya Darpamana, Eka Brahmana, Agama Nilaya, Kshatriya Darpamana, Tri Samudra Toya Pita Vahana. Tri Samudra Toya Pita Vahana. This title indicate about the expansion of the Gautami Putra Shatakarni kingdom. Tri Samudra Toya Pita Vahana. It means the horses of Shatavahana, the Gautami Putra Shatakarni, the horses of Gautami Putra Shatakarni was drank the three ocean waters. It means the horses of Gautamiputra Shatakarni drank three ocean waters like Bay of Bengal, Indus Ocean and Arabian Sea. The total southern part of Indian territories are occupied by the Gautamiputra Shatakarni. That's why he assumed the title Tri Samudra Thoya Pita Vahana. And Shatavahana Kula Yasha Pasastara. So this type of titles had been assumed by the Gautamiputra Shatakarni. And Gautamiputra Shatakarni conducted 2 Ashwamedha yagas and 2 Rajasuya sacrifices. 2 Ashwamedha and 2 Rajasuya sacrifices. So, this is the information about Gautamiputra Shatakarni. After the death of Gautamiputra Shatakarni, the significance of Shatavahana kingdom was lost. Some of the great rulers are ruled by this kingdom, but there is no existence. After his death, the Shatavahana, the glory of Shatavahana is downfall. Okay? Tomorrow we shall discuss about the later Shatavahana rulers.